So we've walked through this tunnel a lot of times when it's green and growing, but let's see what it looks like in the winter. So first off, I'm just going to stop for a minute, and you can still see lots of gourds, right? So we have so many gourds, y'all. These are the little spinning gourds, which are so incredibly fun and useful as decorations and crafts. You can see the ground is littered, and yes, they will reseed themselves, but there's just gobs of them. But what I really wanted to show you in here is that I don't really pull all this stuff off. I tend to leave it through the winter, and I find that the birds really use this tunnel as hiding from their predators. I'm sure stalking some insects, and so the tunnel is still kind of really cool even when it's not growing. And heavens knows we have enough gourds, and then this is loving a puff.